We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel. The RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper is a popular choice for those seeking affordable comfort and practicality in a house slipper. With over 150,000 ratings and a 4.5-star average, it has secured its place as a bestseller, ranking #2 in men's slippers and within the top 300 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry. The slippers are designed for men and come from the RockDove store, a brand known for producing reliable and budget-friendly footwear. The product is lightweight, with a package weight of just over 13 ounces, and the dimensions suggest a compact and easy-to-store item. The model number is KNSLM 302DBSUS, and it first became available in March 2024. Users consistently highlight the comfort provided by the memory foam insole. Many describe the insole as super soft, molding to the foot and delivering a cushioned feel with every step. This makes the slippers ideal for relaxing around the house, especially on hard surfaces like tile or hardwood floors. The non-slip sole is another frequently mentioned feature, offering good traction and stability when walking indoors. The sole is described as sturdy and grippy, yet not stiff or noisy, which enhances the overall experience of wearing the slippers in a quiet home environment. The design of the RockDove slippers is praised for being both stylish and practical. The two-tone color scheme gives them a modern look, while the slip-on construction makes them easy to put on and take off. This is particularly appreciated by users who want a hassle-free option for quick errands or stepping outside briefly. The material is noted for being soft and cozy, providing warmth without causing overheating, which makes these slippers suitable for year-round use. Many users mention that the slippers are their go-to choice for lounging at home, running quick errands, or simply keeping their feet warm during colder months. Affordability is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many buyers point out that the slippers offer excellent value for the price, with build quality and manufacturing that exceed expectations for a budget-friendly product. Several reviewers mention that they purchase new slippers each year and are satisfied with the RockDove brand as a reliable, cost-effective option. The slippers are often described as cheap in price, but not in quality, making them an attractive choice for those who want comfort without a significant investment. However, there are some drawbacks noted by users. One of the most common criticisms is the lack of a back heel grip. While the slip-on design is convenient, it can result in a less secure fit, especially for those who prefer more support around the heel. Some users find that the slippers are not comfortable for extended wear due to this design choice. The fit is also mentioned as being slightly larger than advertised, though most users do not find this to be a significant issue. Durability is another area where opinions are mixed. Some users report that the memory foam insole loses its cushioning relatively quickly, with impressions forming after just a few minutes of continuous wear. For those who use the slippers daily, the foam may become flat and less comfortable within a month or two. This is particularly problematic for individuals with achy or sore feet who require sustained support. Additionally, the slippers may develop odors with prolonged use, especially if worn without socks. One reviewer noted that after less than 2 months of daily use, the slippers became noticeably smelly and had to be discarded. This suggests that while the slippers are comfortable initially, they may not be the best choice for long-term, heavy-duty use. Despite these concerns, many users remain satisfied with their purchase, emphasizing that the slippers meet their expectations for the price. They're seen as a practical, seasonal solution for keeping feet warm and comfortable around the house. The plush foot cover is appreciated for its softness and ability to retain heat, making the slippers a good option for winter months. The packaging is straightforward, with the slippers arriving in a clear plastic Ziploc inside a standard Amazon box. This no-frills approach aligns with the product's focus on affordability and practicality. The usability of the RockDove slippers is generally rated highly. They're easy to slip on and off, making them convenient for quick tasks outside the apartment or house. The non-slip sole provides confidence when walking on smooth surfaces, though users caution against using the slippers on slippery slopes or icy surfaces, as the grip may not be sufficient in those conditions. The slippers are lightweight and do not feel bulky, which adds to their appeal for casual, everyday use. In summary, the RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper is widely regarded as a comfortable, affordable, and practical option for indoor wear. The memory foam insole provides initial comfort and support, while the non-slip sole ensures safety on hard floors. The stylish yet simple design makes the slippers suitable for a variety of settings, from lounging at home to running quick errands. While the lack of a heel grip and potential for the foam to flatten over time are noted drawbacks, most users feel that the slippers offer good value for the price. They're best suited for those seeking a temporary or seasonal solution rather than a long-lasting, high-performance slipper. If you are looking for cozy, supportive, and well-made slippers at a reasonable price, the RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper is a strong contender. It excels in comfort, ease of use, and affordability, making it a must-have for anyone who prioritizes comfort in their daily routine. However, if you require a slipper with more durability, heel support, or odor resistance, you may want to consider other options. Overall, the RockDove slippers are a popular and well-reviewed choice that delivers on its promises for most users. Once again, if you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.